Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maura Aulia Ramadhani. My student ID number is 2408475. I from class 2A PXD. The purpose of this reflection video is to evaluate the learning process and the development of my English language skill that I experienced throughout the past semester. So at the beginning of the semester, I felt unsure and not confident speaking English because it felt difficult. However, after going through this semester, I feel that my English has improved even if only a little. Now I am more confident and not too afraid of making mistakes. Class activities that really helped me in learning were independent assessment because they made me feel responsible for my own work. When I hit the animated video assessment, especially when I had to record the voiceover and present in front of the class. The skill that I think has improved is reading. I feel that before doing something, I need to read first. The most meaningful moment for me was when I had the courage to read an English text and when I present in front of the class. The animated video assessment should be continued because it helped make the class more active and also improve student English skills. If I could repeat this semester, I would focus more on learning new vocabulary and practicing my English skill more, especially when preparing for the TOEFL test. One part of the English learning process that could be improved is the way the material is delivered. It will be helpful to clearly distinguish between casual conversation and lesson discussion because sometimes I find it hard to tell the difference. A motivating learning environment, in my opinion, is one where we are not judged when we make mistake and argued when we don't understand something. Because of that, I feel more confident to try things without being afraid of being wrong. Reaching my vocabulary, building a habit of reading, writing text with good structure, and watching Western channels or movie to get more as to hearing and reading English. I also need to practice speaking English more, starting by using simple words in daily life so that I can get used to it. One thing that made me proud after going through this semester is that I was able to create an animated video in English with my own voiceover. That was the achievement I am most proud of in learning English. The problem I still experience are a lot of fluency in speaking and limited vocabulary in certain situations. Besides that, I sometimes still feel nervous and need to improve my confidence when speaking spontaneously in English. Based on my effort throughout the course, I feel that I deserve an A for a mid or even A plus. I believe in because I was never late to class and always submit assessment before the deadline. Although there was one time when I submit the TESOL test result. Through this reflection, I am able to look back at my English learning process over one semester, from the challenge to the progress I experienced. This experience motivates me to keep learning and improving myself in the future. Thank you to the lecturer and my classmates who support me throughout this course. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.